Hey guys, welcome back to whichever YouTube, Facebook, whatever you're seeing this on. Not coming to you from the studio. I'll show you. Trying to get everything down here finished. There's a cricket. Trying to get that finished. Pulled that out. And trying to get the studio finished. Which hopefully here soon will be done. But check out the new video camera that I got. It is the HC-X1500. That is going to be used on the news channel. That's going to be used on Redbeard Survival and Outdoors, and it's going to be used for the podcast. Now, with this camera, we are going to be able to live stream from it, which is huge. All I need to do now is try and figure out how to set up audio equipment with it. So, as for me, as always, stay at the ready. I'll see you guys on the next one. Out. All right, guys. Well, as you can see, this is the new camera. This is the Panasonic HC-X1500. I do have the VidPro XM-55 for the audio recorder. You do have to make sure you turn on the audio recorder though. So what you're going to see here is a couple videos. I am talking to the camera, but I may or may not have forgotten to turn the recorder on, or the microphone on. Test trials. It is 1050 or 1080. I don't have it set on the 4K on here. I'm trying to get as much time as I can out of here. I have a 128 gigabyte micro SD card in it, and it's 330 minutes of runtime as of right now. So that's going to be huge for us in the future. Like I said, I did take a video outside. We're going to go ahead and look at that. But this is what we're going to be using for the near future. So I will take a video with my phone and go around. That way you guys can see what all we have equipment wise on it. so as you guys seen there, that was just a couple little sample videos. I did have the audio recorder turned off. That is the XM-55 Vid Pro. There is a button up top to turn it on and off, and I forgot to turn it on. So it will be silent, as you've seen, but hopefully you guys liked it. I'm going to come out with a better video on the HC-X1500 with specs and everything else once I actually use it a little bit better. So as always, we'll see you guys on the next one.